Good afternoon po mga kapatid. In 2 Thessalonians chapter 3 verse 16 it says there, "Now may the Lord of peace himself give you his peace at all times in every situation. The Lord be with you all." May mga times ba na sobrang bigat-bigat na ng pakiramdam mo? Yung parang wala kang motivation sa araw. Yung problema mo na hindi matapos-tapos, and then all of a sudden meron na naman dumarating na panibagong pagsubok. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. Hindi mo alam paano solusyonan ang problema. Na-stress, na-anxiety ka na. Na para bagang wala nang pag-asa o wala nang saysay ang buhay mo. I just wanna encourage you, kapatid. Mahirap, aminado ako. Personally, na-experience ko yan. Nahirapan ako. Every time nahirapan ako na ang katawan ko'y parang nanlupaypay, naghihina sa loob. Para bang gusto ko nang umuwi sa Panginoon. Pero God reminded me sa verse na to that He Himself promised that He will give you peace at all times, sa lahat ng oras, sa lahat ng pagkakataon, in every situation, mabigat man yan o magaan. Yung problema mo noon, bukas, at sa mga darating araw, God is always be with you. Like He said in His Word, that Jesus is the same yesterday, today, and tomorrow. In short, forever. Call upon the name of the Lord Jesus Christ and He will rescue you. He knows you very well, more than you know yourself. He knows your pain, He knows your struggle. Lumapit ka sa Kanya, kapatid. There is still hope. Put your trust in Jesus Christ and He will never fail you. He will love you. He will embrace you. He will call you as His own. He loves you, my brothers and sisters. Call unto Him. God bless and goodbye.